What I have for you today is a masterlock 875 4-digit combination padlock, and I'm going to show you how to open this lock if you don't know the combination by using just feel. So in this case right now, the combination is set to all ones. So I'm going to change that combination using the tab 1 here and then 2 method, and then I'm going to scramble the dials so I don't know what the combination will be. I'm going to lift. I'm going to make sure that they're set, not caught in the middle, but set in a gate. Okay, that'll feel good. Then I'm going to lift this up. Got a new combination now. And now I'm going to scramble it. So we have a lock that's secured with a new combination and we don't know the code. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and set these all back to 1. Show you that it won't open. Then I'm going to apply tension on the shackle. I'm going to be pulling out. That's the hard part because your hand will get tired after a while when you're practicing with these. But you need to pull on it pretty hard. Put some tension on the wheels. And I'm going to start with this wheel on the right and work my way to the left. And I'm just going to wiggle the wheel. And as you can see in this example here, it doesn't move very far. It's just, I feel it has rigid borders on both sides. So I don't think the combination for that first one is 1. Try number 2. Same kind of situation. Okay, now when I put it to 8, what I'm noticing here is I've got a lot of play. You see that the number 7 below the 8 goes all the way into the body there. So I'm pretty certain that the first combination on the right here is 8. Go ahead and pull out. I'm going to start on the next one now. It's not a 1, not a 2. 4 feels pretty loose. No, it's not a 4. Definitely a 5. So slopping around there pretty good. It's a 5. 5, then 8. Let's go to the next one. Pretty tight on 1. Tight on 2. 3. 4, 5. 6. Oh, there you go. Right here on this one, it's 8. Look at all that movement I'm getting here. So 858 is our ending. And now I'm just going to cycle through the other numbers until we get the answer. No, we got a mistake. So it's not 858. Let's go back and check. I'm going to put some more tension. Definitely an 8. Okay, it's probably not this 5. Yeah, it's a little bit more tight. Not 6. Not 7. Okay, that feels like a 9 to me. A lot of movement there. Now I'll go back and check our first digit again. Oh, there we go. 7, 8, 9, 8 is our combination. So that's how it goes with this. You can basically get a feel for a lot of slop, and then you know that's probably your digit. If you start from this side and work your way over, it feels to be more prominent to me than if you started here and moved to the right. Not sure whether that's the case, but I usually have better luck if I start on the right side. So hey, I hope this video was helpful for you to learn how to change the combination to a lock that, or find the combination to a lock that you don't know the combination for. And if it was, please give it a thumbs up, and that will help other people find the video as well. And as always, have a great day.